Bad marriage for life.
Box cover, welcome to my Red Table Talk. Now let's get into this very epic love triangle. Will, Jada, and August. Okay, so there are a lot of things to unpack, so let me just give you guys a brief bit of history. So Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith, not Jada Kingdom, even though she have her own love situation.
Love situation.
So Will Smith and Jada are known as Hollywood's it couple. In the black community, they are a symbol of strength and just like black love. You know that nice little melanated unity there? That is what this couple signifies. So it came as quite a shocker after August Alsina decided to do this tell-all interview with the Breakfast Club's Angela Yee and spill the beans that him and Will Smith's wife did inner things.
And romanticism, he gave me his blessing, and I totally gave myself to that relationship for years of my life.
Oh, okay, okay, all right. So, well, he said it. Nobody really quite knows why August decided to do that, but I guess he just wanted to get it off his chest. And right after that, Jada Pinkett, she took to Twitter to basically say that she needs to take herself to the Red Table Talk. So everybody and their mother and their uncle and their sister and their brother were anticipating, looking forward to this Red Table interview.
Are y'all ready, kids?
Aye, aye, Captain!
Alright, so first up you have Will Smith one side, Jada to the other side, and boy oh boy, me just never like how poor, long-suffering Will did look.
Stuff that's going on in the press. I felt like
No, but honestly, me just never like how Will Smith, big movie star Will Smith just look like one little poor baby. Him look like one long-suffering man who gets sent to the principal office and him a praise him again in detention.
I felt
All him face, you know, like when in them conversation they but low-key you want to pee-pee.
it wasn't a statement I made.
No, so Will Smith look like some show up around the red table there, like say him did that we get for one job interview.
And one of the reasons why I wanted to come to the table is the media.
Oh wow, no, this is some PhD level of maturity. Me don't want it for me, not at all, nope.
It's healing that needs to happen. And I know there's a lot of
One man alone a push a hump in a
and I know there's a lot of
Will I go properly Oprah and categorically go ask Jada how did all of this soccer take place?
So what happened, Jada?
Okay, so let's
When he really wants to say. So Jada, why did you give away my punani, Jada? Can you imagine Beenie Man and the Angel around the red table? Answer! Why you choose to start OnlyFans and I show the things them? Beenie Man me a blaze. As a professional, my style and my beauty make them amaze. Me bring sexy in other place. This is Ashley. No. Can't believe like Will is like full on giving the Snoop Dogg face. No, it's not Snoop Dogg, the Snoopy face. No, it's one of the things that I like with Jada. You see, even though Jada go with her antics, then Jada have to still make it clear, say she and Will did part because she don't want to really make it look like she doing a serious wrongdoing. She gonna make it know that she and him did separate officially.
well, at that particular point in time it was indefinite.
Yeah, I really felt like we could be over. you
Yeah,
know?
no,
And-
we were over.
That will never happen. You will never live to see that happen.
Oh, I want you to pay attention to this word because I'm gonna revisit it later. This is the word of the day. Entanglement. Entanglement.
I got into a different kind of entanglement.
Oh my God! Wow! No, hold up. You see right there, so Jada, once again, me tell you, Jada is a serious gagan. She had to make it categorically clear that she does not require any permission from no boy for do what she feel like she need to do.
You know, the only person that could give permission in that particular
Yeah.
circumstance is myself.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. But
No man, big man thing, a Jada wear the pants to the relationship. Can't tell me nothing. So then now you see Will Smith not to be outdone because Will Smith know him I do, you know. Him want to make sure say him follow the narrative that would put him in a good guy position, you know. Say him are the victim in this situation. Long suffering Will.
When I decided we were going to take our space, and what happened?
Yeah, and then I got into an entanglement with...
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right. Cause
You see how woman stay? Woman literally will find all kind of euphemism for kind of, what you call it, like, don't play them little transgressions. Like, yo, honestly, so what she used for? After all of the words, them in the vocabulary, in the English language, she used the word called entanglement. Entanglement, really? Okay. That's what we're doing. Hey Siri. Define entanglement.
Entanglement means the action or fact of entangling or being entangled.
Alright, so I'm gonna know why Siri don't want to give that a definition, but it says a complicated or compromising relationship or situation. So in all honesty, it seems like Jada did right when she did use the word entanglement. You know, but when you talk about entanglement, all I'm think about say like, you know, earphone, I'm think about piece of card, and now that I think about it, I'm gonna just picture you and August like this. But you see, but coming to Jamaica, I'm gonna know how Jamaican people stay. Their word here is going to be the word of the day for the rest of the year. Say, no, brother, you want to know, somebody that entangled the girl last night, you know. I saw the girl move. And then according to Miss Dana, Marcia, you know, here's a Jada Kingdom entangle will. No, let us talk about the one bag of fake laughs then with the in the interview.
Has claimed it.
But, you know, I feel...
Yeah, my name is right through it, right through all of that pain and hurt, like especially with Will, like, and Jada, I think Jada feels shame in herself, you know, but she'll try to put on a good front. Well, I think she's been putting on too much of a good front because the way Jada did just mad Tupac, she mad Will, and now she come and mad August. Like, honestly, thinks that she have like a gold plate in a fair crease.
This no goody great. I am so great.
I don't want to go through this no more.
Yeah, no, I don't either.
Yeah. I'm going to get you back first, and then...
You gonna
And you see what him say, him gonna get her back, because I feel like him legit mean it. Like, he mean it. When I think him 100% forgive her, I feel like him say, yo, I'm gonna do a little badness. I know, so she can't say nothing about it. But she's gonna bring him back to the red table talk, and then I'm gonna switch side. I don't know.
Two can play that game. Two can play that.
for the journey that you and I have had.
What kind of journey?
It's the journey.
But think right about now, the song Will Smith is singing a guy in bed.
Looking back at where the journey began, I really have to say that I'm strong.
Our own ways, and to be able to make mistakes without...
Yes, Will, you better learn. That is the magic school bus way.
Time to take chances. Make mistakes. Get messy.
My name not gonna mention about the part about bad marriage for life. Like, I know it's an inside joke between the two of them because they did they did say that this thing happened 4 years ago, and I'm sure that they've had a bunch of conversations and have reached some point of healing. And I really wish them the best. I just know that them something happening in marriages. I used to hear my great grandfather, my great grandmother talk about for them like a separation journey and how them come back together and all kind of things. And so, you know, I guess it just means say, yo, them pretty much as normal as anybody else. But right about now, me just have pray, oh my God, me don't want you don't think like this with Michelle and Barack Obama. Like, I mean, no, probably like things might have gone, but just me want to picture, say them perfect and nothing ever go wrong in them relationship. Like, me don't want to hear what it happened 10, 15 years ago, the little one time. No, me don't want to hear it. I do not want to hear it. So just please, just cover it up. Whosoever out there have the little story them, don't say nothing about them. Just preserve the little holiness what them have right now, okay? But yeah, that's just it. I think August got through something. I think him just running, see an older woman did catch feelings, and I saw it go. I think Jada should also hurt as well, and I think so she used her care and kind of somehow the lines them got blurred where she saw that as love. I think so she did take advantage of August. August was his own grown man, and August went into that situation and pursued that woman because him know say yo she and Will did separated. Like him didn't know that. That's why him did going at a certain way. So I think so both of them did use each other. It's just that August did just kind of fall in a little bit too deep, and the girl was just like, yo, drops mic, I'm out. Like, that's Jada. Like, Jada can't just bounce like that. Like, me don't know. I'm just feel Jada, one of them good up girl there. What she just know for have man like this, I feel like Jada like have some special powers. I don't think say just between her leg them. I think when she talk to you, like there's something about her like a calming voice. When she talk to you, it's like so she get into your soul.
It's all love. Honestly. And I would usually...
And when she do that, that's the real power coming. So I feel like that Jada have an itch up over Will. Him losing willpower right about now, like if Will want to leave, him can't leave. Because Jada have him here so. Now the brain, the cranium. Nobody not know. But now people know. Because of August. Well, that is it for this Red Table Talk conversation. I discussed what I could about the Will and Jada conversation that everybody is having. Let me know, what do you think about this relationship? Are they still couple goals for you, or do you think that you're stepping away from them as your goals couple? Sound off below. What do you think about August? I want to hear everything.